Welcome back to the channel. Let me just clean this up really quick. Is that better? Okay, bye. Maybe I should stop doing that. Hey everyone, it's currently 6:05 p.m. I just got to the hotel. I like the room. Oh, this is fun. This is gonna be fun. I'm getting ready right now to go have dinner with my family. So much for our alone time. Okay, it's now 7:11 and I need to go. I think it's like, oh my god, I have to go.
Small boat, yeah. Mama.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm gonna eat. Amazing. You mind?
It's just gonna be like, just B-roll.
Do you think I want to be playing findable weird?
This guy wants community. Yes, community. Yeah, let's see what's going on. Yeah. There's been so much stuff happening. We're just like, oh, it's so overdone.
Excuse me. Okay, a few things. It is now 3 a.m. Currently listening to the Two Brownish Girls. You guys should check it out on Apple Podcast or Spotify. And these chocolates are so good. I'm just gonna chill and then I'm gonna go to sleep soon. F it. Okay, so since I'm up, I wanted to do a haul. So first and foremost, I just got mics. I put it in the fridge and I don't want to take them out individually. Something light to drink. And then I got a lot of waters. Did I mention it was 4:55 a.m.? I also got these chocolates that I ate earlier while I was in bed. Yes, I did eat all of these by myself. Comment down below what your favorite hot Cheeto chips are. I think these are my favorite. These and the extra hot Cheetos, but I can't eat those anymore because those make my stomach hurt really bad. 2 bags of hot Cheeto fries. Oh, I also got this headband that I'm currently wearing right now because I cut my hair a month ago, my bangs. I didn't mean to do this much of it. I got that, some masks. I literally have masks at home. I'm sorry. I got a matching set of these green lounging. Cute. These were so expensive. These are individually priced. So this is $25 and this is $15, but they're cute. I'm trying this out. This is the NYX Fill and Fluff eyebrow pencil in the color chocolate. All right, the lighting is so good. Okay everyone, so like I said, it is now 5:02 a.m. It's late, but this has been my sleeping. I need to stop. I've been vlogging for how many years now, and I still just, I look at my, because the camera is right here, the lens is right here, this is where I'm supposed to be looking, but I'm always looking because I have a flip out camera, flip out screen. I have a flip out screen, so I'm always looking at myself, and you can so tell. Every time that I look back at my old videos, I'm like, stop looking at yourself. People can tell that I am looking at myself. What was I saying? I was watching my old videos. Oh no. What the heck was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. BRB. I'm gonna watch that over to remember what I was saying. Not the sun being out. Jeez. Okay. What was I talking about? Is this okay? It's 5 a.m. and yeah, so as I was okay, back to what I was saying. This has been my sleeping schedule for the past couple of months, couple of weeks, and I don't know how to stop. It is 3:35 p.m. Sunday, June 27th. I just woke up again, got ready. I cleaned up the room a little bit. I want to try this out. I have no makeup on right now. This is the NYX Fill and Fluff eyebrow pencil in the color Chocolate. I've been on the look for a new eyebrow pencil. I haven't really been doing my eyebrows lately. I don't really go out, so there's really no point. Ooh, this is how it looks. Has two sides, and one side looks like this. You guys cannot even, it's really not focusing. And the other side looks like that. This is interesting. I've never had one that looks like this before. It's supposed to be the same thing as a spoolie. I just farted. Wow, that was disgusting. I've never farted on camera before. But since we're friends, I hope you're okay with it. I'm gonna use my phone as a mirror because bitch. Currently waiting for my family to get here because they're coming to visit me, I guess. Yikes. I can't really see properly right now, but I don't mind how it looks. First impressions, it does the job. I would rate this right now maybe like an 8 out of 10 because I'm not really that picky. It looks fine right now. Let's see how it looks throughout the day, I guess. Okay, peace out. Just got back from the pool. What? Oh, for a car. But what if it's just one person? Some people can hide.
If only one person.
Here, hold it. Hold it.
Angay suka minggu.
Nakamoy lagi. Makrib ko endo main domi chika tinga like to make it. She's putting on my phone. Yeah, ko endo.
Hey lo. Dogrok to dog niwala.
Stop being a mess.
Oh na yato nali man kalau na matalilay.
Oh, you can watch 2 movies at a time?
Yeah.
Uy.
Well, you pay for 2 movies.
Cheers. Namaram ni ko.
Really?
Uy. Aku di sana nak kila, betul? Kalau kita ni lagi keluar. Iya, kamu tahu yang kalau berdua kalau bisa main garage. Kami pun dari daerah sini kata wisatawan naman membuka ni mas ibakang pintura. Kami to meron.
It's a crossover episode.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Is it?
Oh yeah, sakit
Isn't that the girl from Victorious?
Yeah, it is, but I don't know if she's a character or if she's...
Asked me to come see anything before.
Well, go see it.
It is now 11:40 p.m. I showered. I went to go pick up my dinner. I am having sushi. That is my dinner. So we're gonna have dinner together and watch Manifest. And then after, I think we go to sleep.
I'm at the center of this, just like you. So is Cal.
This is so off Victoria's out of line.
Don't think I'm your partner. I didn't want to have fish because I was scared of the bowl, so I just
Oh my god.
Give me a solid. We'll be in now. Mr. Taylor? I'm Michaela Stone. This is my brother Ben. We were on a flight with Kelly.
What's going on, everyone? It is the next day. It is Monday, June 28th, and it is now 8 p.m. I'm wearing this shirt again because I just changed out of what I was wearing earlier. I ordered some Thai food to eat for dinner. I look like a crackhead. I'm gonna fix my hair before I go outside. But yeah, I haven't really vlogged today. I had my internship today. I had some homework to do. I didn't work out like I said I was going to, but whatever. So I'm eating. So yeah. Yeah. It is Sunday now. Wait, no, it's not. It's Monday. Hello, everyone. It's Monday. It is Monday night now, and I just ordered some food for dinner. It's my last night here. I'm leaving tomorrow morning to go back home. Sad. I'm having some dinner right now. I got some tofu pad thai. I got 2 serves because last night when I was eating my dinner, I ran out of food and I was still hungry, so I made sure to get extra today, but now it's a lot more than I expected it to be. Okay, anyways, so I'm just chilling by myself. See you guys later. I'm literally wearing the shirt throughout this whole vlog, but it's the easiest to wear. That's what I'm wearing. I'm just gonna go really quick. I hope there's not a lot of people because yesterday I went and there were people. There's gonna be people. I know there's gonna be people, but I hope not. I wanna be by myself. Ugh. Manifesting it. So let's go.
It's so weird.
I'm weird?
Such an early checkout. No, the checkout time is weird.
Oh no. Checkout is at 12 p.m. JK.
Where'd you get 9 a.m. from?
It said it on my calendar, but then I checked my trip details. Then it's at 12 p.m.